So I wasn't quite sure. I'm just going to start making this cowl, but I wasn't quite sure on how to mark out these depressions, but I'm just going to do this and then somehow try and work out how to transfer them through to the steel once I get it on here. I mean, template looks alright. I mean, it was a bit rough, but I'm going to transfer it to the sheet now, and I'll just see how it goes. I would have thought this front edge was actually dead straight, but I'll see how I go when I get it on here.